Hi friends, welcome back. This is Lokesh Gorantla, and today we are going to discussing about how to record a test using Codegen and playwright using for JavaScript and TypeScript. Okay, both the things I'm going to cover in the same location. Okay, uh, for this you can able to see here our playwright demo, playwright dev location. We can able to see the documentation. There is a generate text. Okay, whenever you open for playwright dev, we can able to get this particular page. Okay, and you have to choose which language you are right now on doing, and then you need to click on documentation, and there is a generate test will be presented. Okay, come to in that location. Okay, you can able to see there are two sections, like how to record a test and how to generate locators. There are two section will be there. Okay, first you can able to see for to running for CodeGen, no need to install any plugins and all. Okay, the latest version by default, whenever you will install the playwright, automatically it will install for CodeGen as well. Okay, we have to say for this is the URL you have to run in from the command prompt. Okay, that is like npx playwright CodeGen, and you need to provide for URL. If you are not providing for any URL, by default it will provide for empty page. Okay, now I'm going to open for this particular option. Okay, copying this one, I'm not providing my right now for URL. Okay, and then I'm going to use for cmd. Okay, and here I'm going to paste for this one, npx playwright CodeGen. Now I'm entering. Okay, now it is searching for my playwright packages, whether it is presented or not. Okay, if you are first time you are hitting, right now it is not ask me anything directly, it is open. Correct, there are two sections are it is open. It is not ask me for some option whether the package is like which one. First time whenever you hit this particular code gen, right, you will get for one option like a package, which package you have for playwright right now in your local, that particular thing it will ask you. Just you make it as a yes y and enter, then automatically it will hit for two of things. What are the two things it will open? One is this is recording section. Okay, it's similar to our selenium IDE. Okay, selenium how IDE, how it is look like, the similar format this also present, and also it will open for one empty browser. Both the cases it will do the similar format. Okay, if you open for Chrome now. Okay, and here you can see there is selenium ID. See, selenium ID also it will look like the same. If you both, if you compare, see, if you compare Selenium ID and Playwright ID, both are same. Here, locators and logs. And if you create any project, new project, and I'll provide for name, and you can see logs and reference, locators and logs, and recording section and recording section here. Okay, this is basically inspecting, picking for a locator, and it will not provide any locator to pick, and we need to provide the locators. And if you click on record, automatically it will pick that records. Okay, locators that is not present yet. And assertion visibility, you can able to see some assertions also, you can able to add it. And is assertion text, and this play and debug pass and everything it is present and running. Okay, these are the sections are presented. Even you can able to edit some code here. Okay, enter, you can add it, and all you can do that. Okay, manually. And here also we can able to add for table format here, normal way. Okay, and here we can able to import for any programming way. And here also we can able to export any programming language after you completion of the recording. And you can able to use for this is the like node.js test runner test library. In Java you can able JUnit libraries, and Python PyTest library, and .NET C Sharp MS Test and NUnit library. Like this we can able to export any language. Okay, I'll open here, and we can minimize this one. Okay, now we'll start the recording here. Okay, before recording, I'll open for any URL orange HRM. This I'll take for link. Okay, I'm starting this particular one. Okay, now I'm going to paste and hitting this one. Okay, here now it is started. I hope it. See now the board like here we can able to see page got hitted and this particular section is not required. We can we can see the last. Okay, now we need to enter for username and password. Okay, and I'm going to enter for admin one and admin 123. Okay, admin 123. Now clicking for login. See, you can able to see here, even I used for tab symbol. That tab symbol also it is used. Where it is started from username it is taken and after that is used for tab symbol. And then I provided for login and again it is jumped into here. And you can able to see here, it is picked for placeholder and is also, and it is get by role. What is the role of button? What is the name of the button? Login. Okay, like this it will pick for that particular things. Okay, once it is done, then we need to stop the recording. Okay, now I'm stopping my recording. Okay, then once it is done for recording section, if you want to play and if you want to copy your resume and pass and debug step over. When we are doing for debugging section, we can able to do it. Okay. Now, if you want to start again, we can able to start the recording where you want to start it. Okay. And now if I'm going to export something where we can able to test on the side. Oh, it is cleared. Okay. Admin, admin 123. Okay. Now I'm stopping this one. Okay. This is basically it will do for, we are using for Node.js, right? It is by default, it is a playwright. And if you do for this one, JUnit format, see JUnit format, it is converted. Okay. Now we can able to see all the JUnit format. Okay. And again, if you are go for PyTest and you can see PyTest related stuff. Okay. And if you want to use MS.NET and you can able to see MS.NET related stuff. But like this, we can able to change anything. And if you choose for library type and you can see library type of things like this is basically a JavaScript type. Okay, JavaScript we are using for constant and then we are using for Chromium and here it is launching and everything, closing and everything stuff. Okay, similar to this one also we can able to use for here by default PyTest or JavaScript. Everything naming convention is same. Only for in the top there is a way it will change it. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this entire code. Now I open for TypeScript. Okay. Now here I'm going to create for uh, part 2 hyphen record code dot spec dot ts. Okay, I'm pasting here. Just I'm going to save it. Okay, now we need to run this particular things, right? Npx playwright and test we can able to use. Then part 2 hyphen record code dot aspect dot ts hyphen hyphen headed. This is basically ts related stuff. Now you can see it is open browser. It's provided and closed. Okay, this is a way we can able to run code completely like a TypeScript way. And what about JavaScript means we can able to come to here and again here also create one file part 2 hyphen record code dot aspect dot js. Okay, and I'm pasting here just for naming conventions. Here this is the one we are going to change it. Okay, I shall this one and then we can able to use for save. Now I will use for here part 2 hyphen record code dot spec dot js hyphen hyphen headed. Now see test case is hit and it is a 3 because of we are not commented that particular code, right? That's why it is hit for 3 browsers, Firefox and Chrome and WebKit and everything. It is hit 3 browser 3 pass. Okay. If you want to stop, we can able to go ahead for config location. Even on TypeScript location, I have shown that. I forgot to do it for here as well. Okay. Now it will run only one browser. Okay, like this we can able to record any script and even see now we have recorded up to here, right? Now we have recorded something here. Now again I want to start something again. Okay, same location or somewhere. Okay, just I'm started recording and clicking for leaves. Okay, PM. Now you can see leave also it is click and PM also it click and time also click. See same place wherever it is start and again it is started. But this feature it is not presented for Selenium ID. Okay, but we have this location we can able to record wherever you stopped. Again you can able to start for record the same place. Okay, and you can choose here something. See everything it is hitting and it is selecting and everything it is presented. Okay, everything what are the things you are going to do, every operation it will select here. Okay, like this we can able to record wherever we can stop and we can restart also the same location same recording place only we can able to do n number of records, nothing to worry. Okay, comparing to Selenium ID is having some more options. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.